Each of these movements has a specific purpose. They're not random exercises. They're a sequence designed to awaken your entire body in just 6 minutes. Movement 1. Awakening the spine. 1 minute. The first movement is called Heavenly Salutation and awakens your entire spine. Standing with feet shoulder-width apart. Inhale deeply as you raise your arms toward the sky. Stretch as if you wanted to touch the clouds, and exhale as you slowly lower yourself. The Japanese say this movement awakens the dormant energy in your back. In Western terms, you're activating all the supporting muscles of your spine and improving circulation. Repeat 8 times, always coordinating breathing with movement. Inhale on the way up, exhale on the way down. Movement 2. Shoulder flexibility. 1 minute. The second is the wind embrace, specifically for the stiff shoulders we all develop with age. Demonstration with emphasis on range of motion. With arms extended at your sides, you bring them forward as if you were going to hug someone very large, then back, opening your chest as much as possible. This movement combats the slouched posture we develop from years of sitting incorrectly. In Japan, they say, an open chest is an open heart. Do 8 slow repetitions, feeling your chest muscles open and your upper back muscles strengthen. Move 3, balance and core, 1 minute. The third is my favorite, the one-legged crane, which improves balance and strengthens the core without doing a single crunch. Demonstration with modification for beginners. Lift one knee toward your chest while extending the opposite arm upward. Hold for 3 seconds, then switch sides. If you lose balance at first, lean against a wall. The Japanese say, a body that doesn't wobble is a body that doesn't live. It's normal to sway a little. 4 reps on each side, focusing on keeping your back straight and breathing normally. Move 4, leg circulation, 1 minute. The fourth move is walking in the warrior place, and it's incredible for circulation and leg strength. Demonstration with emphasis on proper technique. You lift your knees alternately, as if marching, but bringing each knee as high as possible toward your chest. The arms naturally move in opposition, like when walking normally, but exaggerated. The key is to keep your back straight and lift your knees really high. 30 seconds of steady marching, but at your own pace. It's not a speed contest, it's a celebration of movement. Move 5, hip flexibility, 1 minute. The fifth is the circle of life, specifically to keep your hips mobile and pain-free. Careful demonstration with hands on hips. Hands on your waist, you make slow circles with your hips. 4 circles in one direction, 4 in the other. This movement is vital because tight hips are the leading cause of lower back pain in people over 50. The circles should be wide but gentle. If you feel any discomfort, make the circles smaller until your flexibility improves. Movement 6, calm and center, 1 minute. And the 6th movement, tree breathing, integrates everything and leaves you with a sense of calm and controlled energy. Demonstration with emphasis on breathing. Standing like a strong tree, inhale slowly through your nose, filling your abdomen. Hold for 3 seconds, and exhale through your mouth, emptying completely. The arms rise gently as you inhale and lower as you exhale, like branches moving in the wind. Take 5 deep breaths, ending with a sense of calm energy and an awakened body. Mini hook. Now that you know the 6 movements, let me tell you the timing secret that makes this routine 3 times more effective. Point 3, the timing secret, 9 to 11. Transition. The movements are important, but when you do them and how you sequence them is what makes the difference between mediocre results and a real transformation. Development. The Japanese don't do this routine at any time. They do it at exactly the same time every day, and there's a scientific reason for this. First secret, always in the morning, within the first 30 minutes of getting up. Your body is naturally stiff at night, and these movements gradually wake up all your systems. It's like starting a car in winter. You don't accelerate immediately, you gently warm it up first. Gesture of starting an engine. Second secret, the sequence matters. Each movement prepares for the next. First, you wake up your spine. Then you open your shoulders and chest. Then you activate your balance and core. You continue with leg circulation. Then you mobilize your hips, and you finish by centering your mind. Third secret, and this one I've learned.